we go. It's what day? 10/25/2020 on a Sunday. PAYC on a daily. Hits the 10-day moving average. Been one of our favorites this year. And we're going to go ahead and pull it up on the weekly. So you can see that we're topping out up here on a weekly. So we're getting overbought. And we would not be chasing the stock any further from here. And just friendly advice is that we had a nice $11 breakout on Friday with the options expiration Friday to go ahead and power those call contracts up for a nice gain. And that it did. Take the free 5-day trial. If you want to get serious about who you are, and what you're doing with your trading, then we're here to go ahead and take you to that next level. The right people, we will pick you. And then from there, we would move forward. And you will enjoy the time that you get to spend with us. And you'll get to make some money with us as a complimentary, just to let you know that we care about you. And we'll do the trades right then and there, live. So once again, it's our privilege to bring to you PAYC on the weekly chart on 10/25/2020 with an overbought weekly stochastic to go along with it. Now, as we look at PAYC next week, and when we see the top end of the 52-week high range start to soften up, then we're going to get a pullback. But this weekly chart, once again, is one of the better bull ones that you can find. And it is, and we've been in it for quite a while, and we featured that big monthly breakout for the month of October. When we took out this major resistance area right here, across those tops that you can see here, that was the time that the breakout would happen as it did. And boy, did it, because that made a lot of money. Why was it? 313 was a low, $300 calls all the way up to the monthly 397. Sounds like a perfect winner again. And that's what we do. And that's what we do best. And we understand it. And we've been understanding it for over 35 years. That's how much we understand the breakout and when they're going to happen. And once again, we are bringing it to you so that you can understand who we are. And once you do, you will evaluate that in the live trading room with the profits that are made. That's called transparency. You want transparency? That's transparency. All the rest of it is nothing but talk. And it doesn't make your account go higher in value. Bottom line, PAYC, under our management, whether it's managed account services or active services, in trading actively every day in our live trading room, we the ones that make you the money. So that's a good relationship. And that relationship will always be that way. And it will never stop being that way. Another thing, too, the RSI is hitting up here at 75.75 on the weekly. So, yeah, nice move, but overbought. And when they get overbought, what do we look at doing? We look at doing one thing and one thing only. We look at shorting it. Because if it's going to have to pull back from being overbought on the monthly right there is where these highs were, you can see it and whatnot. So I just want that to be clear. So when we go back to the weekly, there we are. And that's what it looks like in the last 5-day period on PAYC. Once again, we've had a great run in it. Been a great run all year. And now it's time to lighten up and sell into it as we did. And yes, they can do what we call blow off tops and get a little bit more stretched. A lot of you have seen that in the past, but then you know what ends up happening, don't you? They come back down. And when they come back down, then I get to make a lot of money also. So I get to make money both ways. I get to make money when PAYC pulls back. Can't give you the exact day or time, but it's soon, and it's soon enough. So, once again, PAYC, today's date, 10/25/2020. We have the election period coming up. Volatility will hit these stocks, and they'll hit them hard. I said the word volatility